How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Got a quick video here on a 2018 SS1LE in white. No, you're not colorblind. This isn't the red. It's my buddy Derek's white one. And we're going to put on a GM strut tower brace. He got the end points painted in white to match. Looks freaking killer. So without hesitation, let's get it started. Alright, before we dive too far into this install, let's look at exactly what a strut brace is. Also known as a strut tower brace, this bar connects the top of the strut towers, either front or rear, and prevents the chassis flex during cornering. It makes the chassis more rigid, resulting in better handling by preventing the strut towers from flexing. So basically, going in and out of corners, you're going to have more feel with the vehicle, and being able to have that additional feel and rigidness is going to allow you to take corners sharper, and you will feel a difference. I felt a difference when I installed it on my car, so it's an all-around improvement. Now, with that being said, the SS and the 1LE and pretty much all the Camaros, V6 included, they're already really stiff suspension, so there really isn't a need for this, but those that are looking to track it or looking for an additional improvement in handling, this is a great, easy to do mod. Doesn't take you but 10 minutes to put on, and you will notice a difference afterward. All right, everybody, we've got a product here. As you can see, we've got the strut tower brace going across. This product's from gmpartswarehouse.com, or GM Parts House, GM Parts Warehouse. Sorry about that. gmpartshouse.com. You can also reach them on Instagram at GM Parts House. They run all kinds of specials. I think they had a $300 voucher going right now for anybody posting their parts with a hashtag GM Parts House. They also have all kinds of contests and deals going, new parts coming out. So be sure to go out and check them out on Instagram. Also go check out their website. They've got a lot of cool stuff, new products, and they sell pretty much any GM part you can imagine there. So go check them out, see what they got going on, and it's not going to let you down. They run all kinds of deals. Thanks for watching. Also, special thanks to my friend Derek and his white SS1LE 2018. So you can see here in the video, it's a beautiful car. We got a red and a white one. I'd like to find a blue one in the Houston area. It would be kind of cool to do a red, white, and blue 1LE video. Special thanks to my friend Derek. I'll put his Twitter account here in the video so y'all can link to him. Go check out his badass 1LE. Alright, with the GM strut tower brace, what we're finding here is, well, get this the right way for you guys. You've got two bolts that are going to bolt in. This top one's going to go to the strut brace, or the strut tower. The bottom one's going to go to the support arm going from the firewall to the strut brace. So you'll remove the closest bolt to the strut and the back strut diagonal bolt, I think they're calling it, sheet metal diagonal bolt. So we'll remove these two bolts on both sides, pop the sucker on, and then we'll torque her down. Alright, camera died on that last one, so I want to make sure y'all saw we got all four of the bolts out. These are the two bolts on the strut brace. These are the two that were on the support beam. Now it says we need to replace these two longer bolts I believe we saw are going to go on the support beam, the black beam, and we're going to retain the use of the strut bolts that were on the car to begin with, the long ones with the washer on them. So make sure you use the long ones again that came with the kit. For the black support arm, let's start with those. This kit also has a little bit of play in it, just like the BMR kit. So just when you're lining it up, just try to get it the exact same way both sides. Now that we got our snug fit, we're going to come back with the torque wrench. Let me get on the directions here, see what we need. All right, now that we got our torque wrench set up, on this one we saw that it said if you had captured washers, which I'm guessing that's what these spinning washers are that the 1LE has. So it says to use 22 foot-pounds of pressure, or 22 pounds pressure with the torque wrench. So I've got the torque wrench set out to 22. We'll just tighten it until you click. All right. Click on all four. I'm going to go back through and nudge them one time. Good. 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 That's good. Oh yeah, it looks good in the car. Got her all shined up. Went across these two bolts here on the two bolts on the other side. If you do have a Mishimoto oil catch can that uses the same bolt as this, just make sure you add a, you can retain the Mishimoto setup, just make sure you add a washer on that side. Actually add a washer on this bolt and the two bolts over there so that everything's equaled out if you do have a Mishimoto can. But that's it, very easy install, two bolts each side, good to go, 22 pounds foot torque. All right, any questions in the comments, let me know. Thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to watch the video next week. We're gonna take